Hey guys, good morning. Just a quick Forex EA update. The account is currently at $1,154.84 through the overnight session. Actually, from yesterday 4 p.m. To now, it made around $16. Again, this EA is built on me not doing anything. All I do is just basically watch it do its thing. Obviously, it takes losses, but it's doing it. It has more winners than losses, and that's what the concept of this, right? But yeah, overall, it's made $16 from yesterday open till up until now. Account is at 1154, and so far, total made is $176. So in 3 days, basically, in almost like 3.5 days, we are almost at a 20% gain from our initial investment of $978, which 20% from that would be like $190, I think. So we're only $14 away, and we might and that might actually hit today or tomorrow sometime. Just looking at the averages and how much it's been making per day and stuff, we might hit that 20% gain in another day or so. But super really good. It's been netting really good results. Again, it's been running for 3.5 days now. I have done absolutely nothing except add it to my account, put $978. Again, I am over leveraged, and you guys have to understand that I am 100% over leveraged. Your account minimum should be minimum should be $2,000. I recommend something like $3,000, to be completely honest, minimum. The more the better, obviously. And then when you have an account like 10 grand or over, then you can start upping your lot size to like your starting lot size from 0.01 to 0.02, whatever, right? But again, definitely, I am over leveraged, and this account should have started with minimum like $2,000, $3,000, something along that range. But yeah, so far right now, $176 in what is it? 3.5 days of me literally not doing anything except for just looking at it. I mean, it's not bad. I'll see you guys later.